Hi guys, so this is our new catalog that standardizes all the price between the East Sabah and the West Sabah. So here's the prices, change become 6,000 already. Same goes to the standard package. And then if customer, you want the extra discount, we can discount 100 ringgit. So for the PC, we'll downgrade from the i5 into i3 14 Gen. Same goes to our touchscreen as well. So here's the prices and all the add-on as usual. And then the setup, we will mention extra charge for outside of this town area. Okay, and then now we got a new Bagus payment terminal. So 500 deposit, refundable, and set up 500 ringgit, 540. So if you want to know more details, click here. You'll navigate to your website. So you can check more details from here, how it charge. Okay. Then we got the AutoCount Post, which is the F&B package. You can refer from here. Okay, just bear in mind that the e-waiter apps is per slot, which is per device. It works like the Genius Post. And then if e-invoice per counter, if applicable, then we'll charge like almost 200 per year. And this is our post basic and the post standard pricing in software, customization. If you want to know more about demo, you can click on the link or scan the QR code. Let's say I click it. Then you go to our website, the YouTube. Then same goes to here, you click or scan it. So for accounting, here's a price update. If you want to downgrade the PC, downgrade 100 ringgit discount rate for i3 spec. Then if you customer purchase our AutoCount accounting, we can free this 200 ringgit for the AutoCount payroll discount. Then we shows all the software package already for accounting, Account Plus, and then Account Pro and Premium as well. Click or scan QR code to view all the demo. The details, and all the modules and plugin. Here's the software pricing. Okay, for the accounting, you can scan to view the plan or calculate the price for 12 months or 24 months. Then this one, don't forget to times with 1.8, which is the 8% SSD. And then for learn about the AutoCount cloud accounting,
as wide as the sky,
demo.
as free as the cloud.
Then the comparison, the pricing, how to calculate, which one is suitable. And then here's for the modules and plugin. Here will show which plugin needed. Okay, here's the QR code or video to learn more. Don't forget the server link got requirement which is this PC spec. And then the hardware, the pricing. Okay, and then only for this digital scale for support USB port only, and maximum weight is 30 kg. The PX installment plan for credit card holder, the e-invoice page, our HRM apps. So you click here, can calculate how much to charge. You can fill in by yourself. You calculate for you the monthly fee or yearly fee. Then click here to learn more about it.
Words can be tedious. Now with AutoCount.
Then you can show the start from second year support how much they charge based on the packs. Okay, need to times SSD 8%. And then our sales, our terms and conditions for our service, and our pump post, and some calculation if you buy pump post with cloud accounting. Okay, that's all.